Hey guys, installing a Reolink PoE camera is simpler than you might think, with just one cable for power and data. Setup is clean and fast. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install your Reolink PoE camera properly. So step 1 is unboxing and checking components. First, start by unboxing your Reolink PoE camera and ensure that you have all parts: the camera, Ethernet cable, mounting kit, and user manual. Double check for any damage before you begin the setup. Step 2 is connecting to the PoE NVR or PoE switch. So, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your camera and the other into your PoE NVR or PoE switch. Now, the PoE, that stands for Power over Ethernet, delivers both power and network through the single cable. No extra power adapter needed. Step 3 is powering on and detecting the camera. So once connected, power the NVR or PoE switch. The camera should automatically receive power and connect to the NVR. You'll typically see it pop up on the NVR screen or the Reolink app within a few seconds. Step 4 is choosing a mounting location. So pick a location that gives a clear view while staying within the Ethernet cable's reach. For outdoor setups, ensure that the camera is shielded from direct rain and has a stable mounting surface. Step 5 is mounting the camera securely. So use the provided drill template to mark screw holes, then secure the camera in place using the included screws. Adjust the camera angle before tightening everything down to make sure that you have got the perfect coverage. Step 6 is fine-tuning camera settings. So open the Reolink NVR interface or app to adjust video quality, motion detection, and night vision settings. You can also set recording schedules and enable smart alerts right from this menu. Step 7 is testing the live feed. Finally, check the live feed on your NVR monitor or Reolink app to confirm the camera is working properly. Walk through the monitored area to make sure that motion detection and image clarity are performing as expected. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.